Imagine if your business could reply to every customer message instantly, even at 2 a.m. No delays, no hiring support staff, no answering the same questions again and again. An AI agent can now handle customer support 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And the crazy part, you can build one without coding. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to build an AI customer support agent for small businesses using tools that anyone can learn. The first step is to define your customer intents, then design the dialogue flows, finally integrate it with your support channels. By the end of this video, you'll know yes or crease. Let's start with the biggest problem most small businesses face: customer support. If you run a business, you probably deal with messages like this every day. Are you open today? Do you deliver? How much does this cost? Can I get a discount?
Where is my order?
These questions are non-stop. I need a better system.
Running a small business comes with 3 big headaches. First, customers expect instant replies. Every message feels like a ticking clock. Second, owners lose hours answering the exact same questions again and again. Third, hiring support staff, it costs a fortune.
For many small businesses, it simply isn't possible to have someone responding 24 hours a day. This is where AI agents completely change the game.
Instead of a human answering questions, an AI assistant responds automatically, and customers get instant answers. An AI agent is a smart digital employee. It can answer customer questions, search business information, guide customers to the right product, book appointments, and collect leads, transforming your customer service. Unlike a simple chatbot, modern AI agents use large language models to understand conversations naturally. That means customers can ask questions in different ways, and the AI will still understand. For example, yes, we offer delivery services on weekends from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Yes, we deliver on Saturdays between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m.
It feels like talking to a real support representative. But the AI works 24 hours a day. The good news is you don't need complex software. You only need 4 components to build this system. First, an AI brain. This could be ChatGPT, Claude, or the OpenAI AI responses. Third, a knowledge base. This is simply your business information. For example, FAQs, product details, policies, operating hours. Fourth, automation. Automation connects everything together. Tools like Zapier, Make.com, N8N help the AI agent perform tasks automatically. Before you build the AI agent, you need to gather information. Start by listing your most common customer questions. For example, opening hours, delivery areas, refund policies, pricing, and booking information. Document. Something like this. Monday to Friday, 9 a.m., 6 p.m. Saturday, 10 a.m., 4 p.m. Delivery policy. Delivery within 10-kilometer radius. Delivery time, 1 to 2 days. Refund policy. Refund available within 14 days with receipt. This document becomes the knowledge base for your AI. When customers ask questions, the AI uses this information to generate answers. Now we connect this knowledge to the AI. Platforms like VoiceFlow or custom GPT agents allow you to upload documents or FAUs. Once uploaded, the AI can search the knowledge base when answering questions.
Can I return a product if I don't like it? Yes. Products can be returned within 14 days if they are unused and in original packaging.
This process is called Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. It simply means the AI answers questions using your business information, not random internet data. This keeps responses accurate and reliable. Next, we design how conversations work. A typical AI support flow looks like this. The customer sends a message. The AI checks its knowledge base. If needed, it escalates to human support.
Where is my order?
Please provide your order number so I can check the status.
I don't have it. Just find it.
I understand your frustration. The order number is required to proceed. My order number is 123456789. Your order was shipped today and should arrive tomorrow.
How do I return this item? You can return it within 30 days for a full refund. What if it was a gift and I don't have the receipt? I'm sorry, I can't access external. I can help with transfer.
Once the AI agent is ready, you can connect it to customer channels. Most businesses deploy AI support on website chat widgets, Facebook Messenger, Instagram DMs, OneBahand Wizen. This allows the AI to respond across multiple platforms automatically.
Customers don't even realize they are talking to an AI.
They just get fast answers. A well-designed AI support agent can handle around 70 to 80% of customer questions. For example, answering FAQs, tracking orders, booking appointments, collecting product recommendations. Only complex situations require human support. This dramatically reduces support workload. For small businesses, this can save dozens of hours every month. Let's look at real examples. Restaurants use AI agents to answer menu questions. They can handle reservations and share opening hours. These AI agents provide quick, efficient customer service. This is the future of hospitality. E-commerce stores use AI agents to track orders, recommend products, and answer shipping questions. They monitor orders in real time, updating customers instantly. They analyze data to suggest the perfect products, and they resolve shipping queries immediately. This integration boosts efficiency and enhances customer experiences. Welcome. Our AI can help you book an appointment.
Great, thanks.
Clinics use AI agents to book appointments, provide patient information, and send reminders. These systems improve customer experience while reducing costs. Here's something interesting. Most small businesses don't know how to build AI agents.
But they desperately need them. This creates your debate.
So how do you take advantage?
The key is to start small and scale up.
This is your chance to lead. Let's build the future together. Many businesses pay anywhere between $500 to $3,000 for a fully automated AI support system. That's why AI automation consulting is becoming a fast-growing industry. AI customer support is going to become standard for businesses in the next few years. Companies that adopt it early will have a massive advantage. And people who learn how to build these systems will have an incredibly valuable skill. If you want to learn more about AI automation, AI agents, and AI business ideas, subscribe to the channel. I'll be sharing more tutorials on how to build powerful AI systems step by step. See you in the next video.